Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan Hassan with Pediatric Associates of the Northwest, and I'm here today to talk to y'all about bike safety. With the summertime coming in, hopefully a lot of you, like me, are getting ready to go out for some bike rides with your kiddos. It's one of the things I love to do most with my baby. It's a great way to stay active, to explore and get to know your community and the people in it, and a great way to just enjoy the outdoors as a family. So, first rule of bike safety when you're getting started is you got to make sure you've got the right helmet. My kiddo knew from the time she was 2 years old, we do not get on a bike without a helmet under any circumstances, no exceptions. So make sure you are following the same role modeling for your child, and that they know this is the rule, because it can be the difference between a minor head injury and long-term brain damage. I have seen that in my practice. To get the right helmet, you want to make sure you're going somewhere where they can get your kid fit with a helmet that works. A good outdoor sports store can work. For my kiddo, we went to the Doernbecher Safety Center at OHSU, and they are fantastic. They sell very affordable helmets for kiddos, best price I could find, and they will fit it and make sure that it fits properly for your kiddo. The one that my baby has still works very well for her. When it is fit, you want to make sure it comes parallel to the ground when your kid's head is upright. It wants to go right over the forehead, not too low and not above the forehead. So make sure that fits properly. If you have questions about it, again, the Doernbecher Safety Center is a great place to go for that. Next, important thing to know is just making sure you're remaining visible when you're riding. So make sure you're going out when there's plenty of daylight, and anytime it's foggy or getting towards dark, either in the morning or the late evening, you want to make sure you have high visibility clothing and proper lighting. Your bike should always have front and rear lights, and they should always be on anytime it's dark. And the last thing is when you are actually getting your kiddo hooked up to start your ride, there's a lot of different seats you can use. There's the front and rear seats, there's the saddle seat you can attach for older kids, and there's the trailers you can mount to the back, which can provide a little more balance and security, but are going to be a little heavier. All of them can be great options. You just want to make sure that you double check the connection to the bike every time you get on and off the bike, to make sure that it's securely attached before you start riding. That's it for the basics. Tune in for our next video to learn more about riding with older kiddos and to cover a little bit more about the road safety rules. Thanks a lot.